We're given the equation y square plus log cos square x to the base e is equals to y. X belongs to the coordinates minus pi by 2 comma pi by 2. Then we need to find which of these following options is correct. We are given the equation 2 into y dash plus 2 into minus tan x is equals to y dash. If we differentiate with respect to x, we get 2 into y double dash plus 2y dash to the power 2 minus 2 sec square x is equals to y dash. If we put x is equals to 0 in the given equation, we get y is equals to 0 comma 1. Therefore, from 1 we can derive that y dash 0 is equals to 0, and from 2 we can derive that y double dash 0 is equals to minus 2. Hence, we can find out that modulus of y double dash 0 is equals to